Welcome back to Buff's Vintage Bikes. So for some, new bike unboxings are exciting. For me, old vintage bike unboxings are more exciting. In this box is a frame that has been sent down to me from Lusaka in Zambia for restoration, and I'm going to share the unboxing with you and show you what it is. And in this video we'll go through the bike, have a look at what's required on it. I myself haven't seen the bike yet. I've just removed some of the packaging that was in it to protect it, and let's have a look what we got in there. So it looks to be a Colnago, possibly a Super. It's got the name Wilfred ST on the top tube still, possibly a previous owner of the bike or someone who raced it. Campag C record components. It looks well used and it's going to need a lot of love and care. I think it's come to the right place. So I'm going to put this down and we can go through it in a little bit more detail. Right, so I've just taken the bike out, put it in the stand, put the stem in and the front wheel in and the seat on it, and now we can take a look at it, what we got here. Lovely Campagnola record brakes. Oh, these hoods are totally destroyed. You can see how they've melted in the packaging. Might have got very hot on the way down in the trip as well. The old style bicycle computer on it still. It looks to be a lovely Cinelli stem. The Italia handlebar again. Also a Cinelli bar. We've done one of those on one of the bikes before. This hood equally as bad. The bar tape certainly seen better days. Still the original record headset on there. Ooh, I'm spotting something special over here. Check these levers. ICS. That's something special. Pretty sure that's an aftermarket. We'll see now if anything else matches ICS on here. For those who don't know ICS, it's worthwhile googling it. They made some phenomenal products off with the Campagnola group set. They basically took an already good group set and made it even better. See the record calipers as well. Lots of rust on the frame and on the chrome work. You can see the frame is in pretty bad condition. Set of tubbies on these are Mavic GP 4s. Campag record hubs. Still spins as smooth as butter after all these years. Let's go back to this frame. This bike looks like it's definitely spent a fair share of time outdoors. More as a garden ornament than a racing beauty that should be wrapped inside and used on special days. So a C record front derailleur as well. Crankset with the Colnago Onesto pantograph in the crank arm. Looks to be a 54:39 ratio on there as well. And here we can see it is indeed a Colnago Super. It has a sticker on the chainstay as well on the other side. Campagnola Super record rear derailleur as well. I'm not seeing any of the ICS enhancements on it. This pantographing on the cage is definitely unusual. You don't often see that. I'll need to investigate that. Also a GP4 Mavic on the rear stubby. See the brake calipers. And now onto this Concours saddle. Concours profile actually. This is pretty neat. In poor condition, but it still has the profile. Let's see if I can get a shot of that. Still has the profile gold logo on there. Fortunately that hasn't been lost. Record seat post as well. We'll get that cleaned up beautifully. And then just another look at this frame. You can see the rust quite bad. Let me zoom in a little bit further. Unfortunately got the frame tubing decal missing here. You can just see the outline on it. Just going through the frame just to show you the condition of it. I realized too I've had my hand over my mic. I hope you've heard what I've had to say here. You can see the condition of this frame as well. Lots of rust on it. These lovely ICS levers. Just look at the workmanship on this. Leather inlay. It's the first time I've actually seen a set of those up close. Pretty blown away by them. Absolutely gorgeous. And then onto the top tube you can see the rust over here as well. So that's an overview of the bike. Let me just zoom out a little bit. I'll get it back in to focus. Yeah, some work to do over there. I think first things first, we're going to do a full strip down of the bike, and we're going to assess how to sort this frame out. It's definitely going to go for a full respray. I'm not sure what we're going to do about those little chrome bits over there. Maybe I can find someone local to sort that out for me. I'm going to have to do some investigation, but we're going to try and take this bike back to original if we can. Fortunately the components that are on it are all in good nick. We'll be able to clean that up really well. The wheel set as well. It's just the frame itself that's going to require quite a lot of work. Great, so in the next couple of videos I'm going to take you through the restoration of this bike. For this video we're going to call it quits just on the unboxing, and now what I've taken you how I've taken you through the bike and what is required, and then we'll do a few part series on the restoration of this Colnago Super going forward. I trust you'll hang around with me and enjoy them. Keep well.